Okay, so I walk on up the stairs. My dog's not scratching the door. Every day she scratches at the door. She actually built a little wedge in the floorboards where she scratched away the wood because she hates the fucking place, and I feel guilty for leaving it there. I don't want to talk about it right now. So anyway, she's not scratching the door. I'm like, oh fuck, no way, no way. So I open up the door, get ready to punch, use everything in there. Nobody's in there. I walk in, close the door. My dog's sitting on the fucking couch going. She's never done that in her life. Never. She's just a little thing, right? Just a little thing. And I fucking went nuts because I knew exactly. They bugged the fucking place. They came in here, kicked my fucking dog, bugged the fucking place. And I know it's bugged. I know it. There's no other reason to go into someone's house unless it's bugged. That's all there is to it. So I had a telephone. I don't know if it was working at the time, but anyway. So I'm like, you fuckers. So I went over and kissed my dog all better. And then, what happened then? I went and I checked everything I could, every little nook and cranny in the place, till I got fucking tired. I couldn't find no bug. I don't even know what the hell I was looking for. Just a little gizmo that supposedly comes off. I don't know. But I know it's here. I know it's here. I know it. And I ain't even seen these guys yet. I just felt them. But I know they kicked my dog because everything changes. The whole routine changes. Everything changed. They kicked my dog. Dog wasn't scratching at the door. They were in here. They kicked my dog. And the place is bugged. Right? I know it. And so I took my dog for a walk around the park. The block in the park. Came back. I checked the place a little bit more. Thinking, where could they put this thing? And I'm like, okay, you fuckers. And then as I'm checking the place, I'm like talking to them, right? And then I'm just getting madder and madder. And basically, I ripped them a new one. Just ripped them a new one. I told them everything I know about the aliens. I go, you fucking guys, basically. I don't want to go off. That's for another day. The last video. Basically, I said, you fucking guys think you control the planet Earth and you control us sheep and everything. Well, the fucking sheep are waking up and you fuckers, you're going to fucking hell for doing this. And I said, you know what? The ETs are more welcome to this fucking Earth than you are, and I hope they fucking blast you into a fucking green goo. Right? Basically, that's what I said for like an hour. And it was even worse than that. I mean, I ripped them. Called them every name in the book. And then I went and I told them about, and I go, oh yeah, you know why? I go, you fucking asshole fucking retards. Do you even fucking know why the ETs are here contacting me? It's because my fucking spirit is one of them. They're fucking family, bitch. So go for it. Fucking take your sniper rifle out and your little fucking MK Ultra drugs and see what happens when you off me. Go for it, you fucking... You know what I mean? I don't want to say the bad words. The real bad words. Yeah, see what happens when you do that. So I go, yeah. That's how I felt you on the fucking street. Oh, fucking flatfoot, you're not too fucking smart for a secret fucking psyop black investigator guy, are you? You man in black fucking black op fucking piece of shit. You weren't ready for that, were you? You thought you were all fucking cool, sucking back your fucking donuts in the fucking dark corner of the fucking alley, weren't you? Right? You know, fucking big secret fucking G-man. Ooh, so my fucking goal on life is to kill and intimidate people. You're a fucking man, right? I just went off on him for like an hour, just like that. And then I go, oh, I hope you fucking like Napalm Death, because it's my favorite band for fucking dealing with pieces of shit, fucking pedophile, black fucking project pieces of shit like yourself. And I turned on, bam, fucking blasted it. Fucking Napalm Death. And then I fucking took my dog for a walk. Again, I went up on a roof or something while they listened to Napalm Death for an hour. Then I came back, turned them off, and said, yeah, I hope you listen to me fart all night because that's all you're going to get. Right? And I go, have a nice night, you fucking flat foot, sit in your fucking car and suck your donuts and get a motel room and ram each other, because that's all about your worth. When Jesus comes for you, you're gonna fucking know it, and I'll be there watching the whole goddamn time, you pieces of shit. You didn't even know. That's like 30 seconds of what I told him for a fucking hour. Anyway, I'm like, probably not gonna come. It's probably not a listening device. I was just venting. Right, fuck it, I'm going to sleep. Had a cigarette, laid down, went to sleep. Turned on the TV. Psh. So, next day, 4 o'clock. I go to work. I'm at the coffee shop. 4 o'clock. My buddy, I'm working with a girl who is my sister's friend and my friend. I'm working with her. She's done in a half an hour. The other guy's coming in to work with me. And I go, and this is really burning me, right? This is really burning me. And I'm going, hey, I gotta tell her what happened. I gotta tell her what happened to me. So I told her. And I told her some yesterday. A little bit. I go, hey, you know what happened last night? She goes, what? I go, I know you don't fucking believe. She goes, well, tell me. I don't believe in any of it. But I'm like, whatever. I go, yeah, remember fucking Jeanette Street? What happened to you? The Men in Black thing walking around the house? She goes, yeah, that was real, though. I saw it. And I go, what the fuck do you think I'm telling you this? It ain't real because I'm telling you? You weren't there to see it? What kind of fucking processing is that? I'm your fucking friend, I'm telling you. Shit, no one's supposed to fucking know. So I told her all this stuff. I go, look, the fucking guys, I go, I didn't see shit. But I gave him the finger, the feeling went away, I went home. Muffin was kicked. They fucking broke in, they bugged my house, and I ripped them a new one. She goes, okay, well, she goes, that's damn scary. And I'm like, no, you're not getting the fucking point, man. This is, I don't know what she don't know what the fuck she's supposed to say to me. I don't know what the fuck I'm expecting from her. I just wanted some verification, like, I don't know what I wanted, but I'm telling her this. So anyway, she's working, she goes, oh, whatever, fuck, I gotta go, I'm leaving, I just get this work done. So she's cleaning the fucking ice machine or something. I'm over here cleaning the pots. And all of a sudden, I'm cleaning these fucking pots. Another fucking door walks in. And these two guys come and sit at the tables. And so I'm like, fuck it, I ain't helping them. I can't talk to anybody. I gotta work all night. So I look over at her. She's looking at me and I'm like, hey. Motioning. She goes, fuck you. You take care of them. And I'm like, I ain't taking care of them. And they're two big guys, crew cuts, sunglasses on, black suits or dark navy blue suit with black tie. I'm like, I don't know, what are these fucking freak cops? I go, now everybody who comes in the coffee shop goes to the counter, gets coffee, and goes to sit down. These two guys come in, the place is empty. Me and her are working. They come in and sit down. And it ain't clued in yet. And I just got to tell her what happened. I know, right? So, all of a sudden I'm looking at her, and we're not helping her. Because I'm not talking to her. She ain't talking. She's too afraid to go talk to him. I go over there and help him. She goes, fuck you, man. They're scary dudes. I ain't going over there. Well, you fucking make me go for it. Just because I'm a guy, I got to man up and go fight the fucking beast. You go fucking do it. She goes, I ain't fucking doing it. You do it. I'm leaving. I'm like, God, Jesus Christ. She goes, I'm gone 5 minutes. And I'm like, I ain't fucking doing it. Fuck it. So I went over there and I ground some coffee, made a lot of noise. And they're just sitting there. And I noticed they're both reading the fucking newspaper with sunglasses on. They grabbed the newspaper from the bar and they sat down and they're reading the newspaper. And all of a sudden, I'm like, what the fuck is going on? What the fuck is this? What the fuck is going on? And I just feel like I was in a whirlwind, like something's fucking not right, and I ain't catching it. I ain't fucking catching it. Got it. It just clued in. Everything I did last night, they're here saying, oh yeah, motherfucker. And I'm like, holy fuck. I'm like, crowbar. We always kept this big old beauty fucking crowbar down underneath the counter for, just in case. Because there's little girls working, and they got some psychopaths coming in here. So I figured these guys are due So I had the crowbar ready to go. And I go, fuck, and I ground some coffee, and I'm looking at them, I go, I gotta confirm it's them. I know it's them, but I gotta confirm it. I gotta confirm it with a witness. Dawn, she's leaving, right? She's leaving soon. So I go, fuck, I gotta go. So I grabbed the coffee and went over there and talked to her. I go, hey, Dawn, remember that I was just telling you earlier about the fucking people following me and kicking my dog and bugging my house? She goes, yeah, that's them. And she's like, no fucking way. And I'm like, yeah, fucking way. Is this fucking normal? Are you going to talk to them? She's like, no. And I go, it's fucking real. That's them, and I'll fucking prove it to you. She goes, how? And I go, well, you just, okay, Dawn's a fucking drama queen. She's like a drama class, okay? Trying to be a movie star or whatever the fuck. So I go, she goes, how? And I go, I'll fucking show you. And I go, I'm going to go back over there pretending I'm like normal, working. She goes, okay. And I'm going to go, hey, Dawn, I thought I saw a UFO last week. And you watched your reaction when I say that. She goes, okay, that sounds good. And so I'm like, okay. So I go back, I grab some coffee, and then I scream out, hey, Dawn! She goes, yes, Rich! Like this. Like, I'm like, really? Really? That's a little too much acting there. And I go, guess what? She goes, what? I'm like, really? Come on, why would you fucking knock it off? And I go, she goes, what? And I went, I thought I saw a UFO the other day. Just then, the two guys stood up and slammed the newspapers on the table, and they both fucking stared at me. And I'm like, crowbar, crowbar, crowbar. I'm like, oh. So then, I had this crowbar ready around my leg. And they both slammed the table, stared at me for like, it seemed like an hour. And then they both fucking turned at the same time, like they were programmed. It was weird. And then they walked out the fucking door. Didn't look at me. Dawn started fucking crying. Literally, she was crying. Fucking tears are coming down her eyes. She runs over. She goes, you're gonna fucking die. And she hugs me and she goes, see ya, I'm done. She ran out the fucking door behind them two guys, and she took a look, make sure. I'm like, you can't fucking leave me here. And she goes, fucking, I'm leaving. I ain't fucking staying here. You're gonna die. And I'm like, well, fucking come here, right? Just hang with me till fucking my buddy comes in. She's like, hell no, I'm getting the fuck out of here. And she goes, look, just lock the door till fucking James gets there. And I'm like, all right, okay, I'll do that. I go, what if they fucking planted a bomb? I don't know. I don't want to be here in this fucking place all alone. She goes, lock the door till James gets there. And I'm like, okay. So she left. I locked the fucking door, and I'm like, fucking crowbar in my hand, waiting for fucking James to come in. I'm like, would you fucking hurry up? I never told him nothing because he's just a fucking... And, cool guy and all. You just ain't ready for that shit. And I didn't want to explain to him. So anyway, James finally comes, unlock the door. He's like, what the fuck you got the door locked? What the fuck is crowbar in your hand for? I'm like, oh, shut up, don't fucking ask me any questions. He's like, what the fuck's going on? Fuck crowbars, locked doors, what the fuck's going on? I'm like, just think about sports and shut the fuck up. Don't want to ask me any questions. I'll leave, fuck, it was funny. Fucking heart attack, man. And I'm like, oh fuck. And then I realize, oh fuck, I gotta walk home by myself tonight. Oh no. Ooh. Oh. So midnight comes, or 11. We close up. I'm out of there 11:30. I'm walking home, and I don't know what the fuck. From street light to street light all the way home, boy. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know. Nothing happened though. I went in the house, the dog was scratching at the door again. Everything seemed to be fine. I was fucking paranoid. I was paranoid for fucking afraid of my shadow for about a month. And finally the paranoia got to such a fucking height that it was like looping in my head and looping in my whole body. And I said, you know what? I don't fucking care. I ain't living my life like this. Fucking shoot me. Fuck off. Fuck the aliens. Fuck the black cops. Fuck the interdimensional jumper. Fuck yourself. I don't give a fuck anymore. I go, I'll keep it quiet. I won't push buttons. But fuck you all and fuck this paranoia shit. Bam! And that event woke me up to the fucking grid on the earth concerning the aliens. And I'm sure people had a lot worse experiences than that. But that taught me what I needed to know without getting my fucking brain rearranged and altered and abducted and getting it up the ass by the fucking aliens or the fucking MIB or whatever they are called. Damn. Okay, so it woke me up to that, and I got through it. You know, I got through pretty much all right. The black guy, the black entity, the interdimensional jumper, he concerned me the most because I couldn't nail him. But later on, after a lot of pondering questions, it turns out, I think, the Men in Black, he was like a real Men in Black. Not the fucking Black Ops, like the movie, but a real Man in Black. This guy keeps a balance between the ETs, outside influences, and the sheep. Since I wasn't a sheep and I was having these experiences, basically when he said don't push buttons, he goes, you had the experience. Basically, this is what he said. It was to be a normal conversation. He said, okay, look, your soul is hooked up to the ETs. They're coming to visit you in physical to teach you shit. That's all good. But that's as far as it goes. Now, if you push buttons, I'll stop you at any means necessary. That's what he said in my head. Years later. He came again, by the way. He goes, I'll stop you at any means necessary. And he goes, the same with the Black Ops. I'll stop them. They confronted you, they're checking you out, but they didn't do anything to you. I go, well, yeah, they did enough. What about the fucking monkey dude? All that, right? He goes, don't worry about it. Maybe he was the monkey dude. How the fuck are you supposed to know? Maybe he's the monkey dude, right? In my dreams, the monkey dude. Maybe he's the monkey dude. I don't know. At this time. But anyway, he said, I'll stop them too. Okay? So in spiritual evolution, contactees have contacts with your fucking family from another fucking planet. The UFO comes down, fucking pays you a fucking visit, and you can't let the sheep know because they're all being controlled by the control grid of the fucking bullshit illusion of the fucking Satan society, the fucking Queen of England and all that bullshit since day one. But since I trump all that fucking bullshit and I'm out of fucking illusion, the ETs come and contact me, they say, the bad guy comes and says, don't, as far as it goes, you don't fucking push buttons. You don't fucking tell the sheep. You don't get on fucking TV, tell your experiences. You don't bitch to the fucking police. You don't bitch because it'll get you killed. It'll get the fucking, it'll start up a whole bunch of bullshit that doesn't need to be fucking started up. And he was squashing it right there. And I'm like, who the fuck are you and who do you work for? And I didn't have Christ in my life at this time. This isn't a fucking fucking late 80s, 90s, somewhere there. I had no Christ. I had nothing. I had nothing except my spirit. The fucking aliens. So I go, you would kill these fucking Black Ops if they came and did me damage? He goes, yeah, they were just checking you out to find out who you are. And I go, they don't need to know who I am. I can talk to anybody I fucking want. I'm in the fucking citizen of the fucking universe, you fucker. Anyway, well, I don't know why there's a fucking control grid on the fucking earth to control society. Who put that there? Who is this fucking guy, right? Really? And I asked Christ that, and he goes, you don't need to know, you gotta fucking heal yourself first. And I'm like, oh, come on, Jesus Christ. Tell me who the fuck he is, I can deal with it. I've been fucking owned by a fucking Archon. Got rid of him. Mom came down, stuck him in another fucking dimension. Saw the whole goddamn thing. And you can fucking tell me who the fucking black entity is. And by the way, there's a monkey dude running around here. I wanted him fucking gone. So squash that fucker. And oh, and by the way, here's these two fucks. I'm gonna make another video about this after this one, but I'm gonna get these three loaded up today for you guys. Jesus Christ. It's just begun. It's just not so much Black Ops stuff. But I have another run in with a helicopter, my friends do. And then I go to Vancouver. This black entity shows up again, but that's a whole bunch of videos away yet. Alright, so later.